'twas by the clear Mull and Diner burn, where it meets and runs with the river Clyde, and they tell the tale of the Holy One who was fishing down by the riverside. A holy man from Fife he came, his name they say was Kentigern, and by the spot where the fish was caught, the dear green place was born. Now the salmon ran through the river stream, and they salted them by the banks o' Clyde, and the faces glowed as the silver flowed, and the place arose by the riverside. There was cloth to dye and hose to buy, the traders came from all around, and they raised their glass to the dear green place, the place that was a town. There was a town that once was green, and the river flowed to the sea. The river flows forever on, but the dear green place is gone. When the furnaces came to fire the iron, and the folk were thrown from the farmland, then the Irishman and the Hieland man and the hungry man came with willing hands. They wanted work, a place to live, their empty bellies needed filled, and the farmyard was another word for the dirty, overcrowded mill. Now you may have heard of the foreign trade and fortunes made by tobacco lords, but the working man slaved his life away, and an early grave was his sole reward. A dreary room, a crowded slum, disease and hunger everywhere, and the price to pay was another day to fight the anger and despair. There was a town that once was green, and the river flowed to the sea. The river flows forever on, but the dear green place is gone. 1,000 years have been here and gone since Kentigern saw the banks of Clyde. How many dreams and how many tears in 1,000 years of a city's life. A city hard, a city proud, and no mean city it has been. But perhaps tomorrow it yet may be the dear green place again. There is a town that once was green, and the river flowed to the sea. The river flowed